Welcome to Arithmetic 102, PEMDAS. In this video, we're talking about the rules to follow when completing operations. As a reminder, an operation is a process that takes a number and produces a single output, or by definition, it's whenever we do something to a number, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. With some operations, the order doesn't matter, called commutative, like with adding and multiplying. So whether you have 8 plus 5 plus 2, or 2 plus 8 plus 5, both sides are going to be equal to each other. It doesn't matter the order. With others, the order does matter. That's called non-commutative, like with subtraction and division. So 8 minus 5 minus 2 is not the same thing as 2 minus 8 minus 5. Since the order that we do these operations might matter, they came up with a set of rules that dictates the sequence that we are meant to do math. That is called the order of operations. So this will come up many times on the DAT in various ways, guaranteed, I promise. And a lot of people have no idea what they're doing, so this is where people fail and get a whole bunch of questions wrong. The order of operations is a set of rules that dictates the sequence in which to perform operations. In other words, it's the order that you do the math in always. So what is PEMDAS? It's an acronym: parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So this is the order that we should be doing the math. This is the order that we do the operations. So first we do parentheses, next we do exponents, then multiplication and division are grouped together. Addition and subtraction are grouped together. So step 1, do the math in all of the parentheses. Step 2, exponents. Then step 3 is doing all multiplication and division together, left to right. Then addition and subtraction are combined for the fourth step, left to right. If you like mnemonics to help remember things, a common one for this is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So order of operations, I've already kind of said this, but I'm going to say it again. Not understanding this is an easy way to miss out on a lot of points. This is a wildly misunderstood topic for some reason. If you do not follow the order of operations, your answer will almost always be wrong and will result in an awful score. And good proof of this is social media pages like to post questions on order of operations all the time because people will fiercely debate it in the comments section, and a solid 90% of the comments are wildly wrong. So let's do a practice question. 15 times 4 minus 6 divided by 3. Pause the video, figure out the answer, because here is how we do it. If you solve this from left to right without applying the order of operations, you'd get 18, meaning if you did 15 times 4 minus 6 divided by 3, you got 18. If you do it correctly following the order of operations, then we should solve 15 times 4 first, which is 60. Then you solve 6 divided by 3, which is 2, because we're working left to right, remember. Then finally, you do 60 minus 2, which is 58. So the correct answer is actually 58. If you need to review this, keep reviewing it until you understand it. This is super, super important. Some other math rules I'll throw up on this slide here, just to make sure you know how to do math. Negative a, meaning a negative number, plus negative b is negative a minus b. Negative a minus negative b is negative a plus b. A times b plus c. You distribute the a to each one, and so you say now a times b plus a times c. And same idea if it's a minus in there, so a times b minus a times c. And here's your summary slide. So remember that PEMDAS rule. Parentheses is the first step, exponents is your second step, multiplication and division are your third step, left to right, and addition and subtraction are your fourth step from left to right. And then there's just a couple of those equations. See you in the next one.